Hey developers, welcome back to Code Like a Senior Dev. I'm Codey Singh, and today we are going beyond the basics. Last time we built the simple factory pattern. We cleaned up the object creation, said goodbye to ugly new keywords everywhere, but today we are stepping into the big leagues. We're talking about a pattern that organizes entire families of objects. It's called Abstract Factory Pattern. Quick recap. Remember our notification factory? You passed in email or SMS and it gave you back the right object. Simple, neat, no drama. Until one day, your boss walks in.
Hey Cody, we need two versions of everything now, standard and high priority.
And that's when your clean, nice factory suddenly looks like it hadn't slept in days. So now, every notification, email, SMS, push needs a standard and a high priority one. And sure, you could just jam a new priority parameter into your old factory and hope for the best. But that's how coding horror stories begin. Before you know it, you've got a giant switch statement checking type and priority for every combination under the sun. Add one new notification, you're editing this file. Add a new priority level, you're again editing this file. Forgot one branch? Congrats, you just shipped a standard SMS in a high priority system. And that's how the bugs are born. The simple factory is great for making one thing at a time, but when you need consistency across the whole family of objects, you need something smarter. Enter the abstract factory pattern. Here's the idea. Instead of one factory trying to handle everything, you define a blueprint, an interface that says I can create an email, an SMS, and a push. Then you make two factories that follow that same blueprint, one for standard notifications, one for high priority. Each knows exactly what kind of object it creates. So when your app picks one factory at the start, it gets a perfectly matched set of notifications every time. Alright, let's see this in code because it's way easier to see than to just hear. So here's the idea. We define two kinds of notifications, email notifications and push notifications. And then we create two factories, one that creates regular notifications and the second one that creates high priority notifications. Each factory knows how to create its own family of notifications. So if we see here, the regular notification factory knows how to create regular email and regular push notification. Similarly, high priority notification factory knows how to create high priority email and high priority push notifications. Now, look at our controller. Super clean. It just gets the urgency from the user, and depending upon if the urgency is high or it's something else, it creates high priority factory or a regular notification factory. Then we create the service by passing in the factory. So if we hop into the service, we see it just takes a factory and it creates the notification using that factory. So right here, if we call send, depending upon how this notification service was created, it creates email and a push notification and sends it with the set priority. So now, if we hit /notification/urgency, with a message, and boom, notifications were sent with the urgency high. This is scalable architecture in action. You can add more notification families later without touching a single line of existing code. That's the whole point. The abstract factory doesn't just create objects, it creates families of related objects, and it guarantees that they all belong to the same configuration or theme. So why go through the trouble? Reason 1. Consistency. Every object you create follows the same rules, no more mismatched notifications. Reason 2. Open-close principle. Want a new security alert theme? Just add a new factory. The existing code stays untouched. And the reason 3 is easier testing. Swap the whole factory for a mock to test the system. The simple factory helped decide us which object to create. The abstract factory helps us decide how whole families of objects are created together. If your system ever needs multiple themes, environments, or drivers, that's the pattern that you use. It's how you scale code without breaking it. Alright developers, we went from chaos to consistency today. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe for more senior level secrets, and drop a comment saying Factory Boss so that I know you made it till the end. Next up, we are tackling constructors with the builder pattern. See you in the next one, and remember, clean code, calm mind. Bye now. Thanks for watching.